Need a straight and reliable cut but maybe don't have the space or budget for a conventional table saw? Well, the TTS185 might just be the answer. Track saws are great at getting a straight cut when working with longer workpieces, sheet goods, or when you just need a bit more portability with your setup. The TTS185 track saw snaps onto 700mm tracks, which can be easily combined to get the desired length using track connectors. The tracks are then clamped to the material with the TTSWC work clamps, ensuring the tracks won't move and you'll get an accurate cut. With a powerful 1400 watt motor, the TTS185 track saw is capable of cutting easily through most material you would want to throw at it. Fitted with a large 185mm 48 tooth TCT blade with a maximum cutting depth of 68mm. Variable speed, soft start and constant speed optimize the saw and help with control and getting a clean cut with every pass. For the best results, use a lower speed for laminated wood, veneers and hardboard, and a higher setting for hard or soft solid wood and chipboard. The TTS185 track saw has 3 modes: Scribe for a dedicated 2.5mm depth to minimize tear out and splintering, perfect for delicate material; Full Plunge, which goes to the set depth using easy to read cut indicators; and Blade Change for quick swapping out of the blade. If you're looking to do bevels, the TTS185 track saw has a cutting angle of 0 to 48 degrees. And a guide rail track lock to give the saw extra stability when performing bevels. Anti-kickback is built into the saw to reduce jolting when performing a plunge cut. Vibration reducing soft grip handles mean you can cut for longer with less fatigue and a more secure hold on the tool. Dual alignment cams can be used to fine-tune the TTS185 track saw along the track, giving you more customization and control over your cut. With the 35mm inner and 39mm outer 360 degree dust extraction port at the back of the tool, dust can easily be managed for a cleaner, safer working environment. The TTS185 has a powerful 1400 watt motor, a 185mm 48 tooth TCT blade, 68mm maximum cutting depth, and a 0 to 48 degree bevel cutting angle. A no-load speed of 2000 to 5000 RPM and weighs 5.5 kilograms. The Triton TTS185 track saw cuts a clean, straight line accurately with professional results, packed with safety features that will save you time and keep you safe in the workshop.